Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's lecture video I teach you how to install the Turbo C++ software in your laptop. If you want to install that software in your laptop, first you need to download that software from the website named techapple.net. Now I teach you how to download that software as well as how to install. If you want to download that software in your laptop, first of all you need to have internet connection. You can connect hotspot to your mobile, or you can access the internet via LAN cable also, but totally you need to have the internet connection to your laptop. Then you need to start the Google Chrome browser. There in the address bar you can type techapple.net, techapple.net. This website will help us to download the software. techapple.net, then press enter key. You need to wait. Home page is going to open. Then go for page down. Slowly come down. Come down. Then you are going to get Turbo C++ editor here. You can see here Turbo C or C++ for Windows 10, 8.1 and Windows 7, 32-bit or 64-bit full screen installer. You have to click on this one. Once you click, we get another web page. You can read here Turbo C, C++ for Windows 10 or 8.1 or for Windows 7. Come down, page down. Here we have two links. This is the click here to download Turbo C or C++. One more link we have, mirror link number 1. Click here to download Turbo C or C++. Click on this link. You need to wait for a few seconds. You can see here Turbo C++ 4.0 Windows 7 or Windows 8 64-bit. Click on the download button. Now it takes some time for downloading that software to your laptop. You need to wait. The software size is 4.7 MB. Yes, almost it is going to complete now. Then it is asking you where you want to save that executable file. Now what I do, I save this software on desktop. I choose desktop, then I click on the save button. It is saved on desktop. If you want to confirm, minimize, see here, this is what we downloaded just only, Turbo C++ 4.0 Windows 7 for Windows 7 or Windows 8. Just double click on it. Whenever you double click on this, installation begins. Do you want to install this software? Say yes. Then you have to say next. You have to say I agree. Then install. It has been installed. Then finish. Now see here, you can see the Apple symbol icon here. Now C++ has been installed. That means now you can run the C++ programs, or you can run C programs also. Double click on it. Once you double click, software starts. That means now you have installed it. You need to wait. Once you double click, you need to wait. Afterwards, what you need to do you know? We get an editor with the background color as blue. That means software is started. Okay, this is what already installed. Now go for window menu, go for window and close all. Software is installed now. Go for file menu, then new. You can type on program and you can test it. #include. I write one simple C program. You can see here no name 00.cpp. This is C++ editor. That's are getting .cpp. You can write C program and save with .c extension. I go for #include. Then which header file we include, stdio.h, as you know already. Then we go for void main, then two brackets, opening bracket and closing bracket. Just I give three instructions: clear the screen, then I type printf, then I type hello world. Okay, machine prints this message. Then I will tell the machine to wait so that I can read it. This is a program containing three instructions. Save this file and save. Give the file name. pp1.c, then compile it. Go to compile menu, compile, warning 0 error 0. How to run? Go for run menu and run it. Then say OK. Run or Control F9. Yes, screen is cleared, hello world is printed, machine is waiting. Means we installed the software as well as we executed on program. I hope everyone has understood. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.